Okay, here we go. We got this bouncing up and down. When the stopwatch reads 0.3, I'm at high. The next low point at 40, so this is going to be 50, that's going to be 10. The next low point at 1.8. This is 1.6 across. Think about this, 1.8 minus 0.3, 1.5. Half of that is 75 cents for your increment. Multiply this by 4 and E is going to be 3. Let's see, B is 2 pi over E. There's B. C, we're going to start at 0.3, and I've got 50 right there. So it'd probably be a good idea, I suppose, if we added a little bit. So if we go adding 0.75, this one's 1.05. 1.8255 and 3.3. That makes these three apart, so we're good on that. Okay, so we need an equation. Y equals 10 cosine 2 pi over 3 t minus 0.3 plus 50. So I'm going to want to go put that in my machine. So how about math solver? Let's take that out of there. Let's do 10 cosine 2 pi divided by 3 t minus 0.3, close it, plus 50 minus y. And then let's test it. Let's put 0.3 in there and see if I'm at 50. No, excuse me, at 0.3 I'm at 60. So it's going to check. Okay, at 17.2, what is the distance? 58. 1517554187775. What was the distance from the floor when you started the stopwatch? Okay, so we need to back up. So just think of this one for a minute if you would. I'm at 0.3 and I need to subtract 0.75. So this first one is negative 0.45. But the distance from the floor, we actually didn't even need that, I don't suppose, because what was the distance from the floor when you started the stopwatch? So we're going to start it at 0, alpha, enter, 59. We're almost at the top. So it got dropped from up there. What was the first positive value of time at 59? So, well, it may be this one, it may be this one. Depends on which one of those is positive. So put in 0.3 and we'll see which is the closest one to it. Is it on that side or is it on that side? That's 12. Whoa. Could picked one way down there somewhere. Let's pick the one closest to 0. Negative 12. Okay, my calculator's freaking out. What is the first positive value of time when the weight is 59 above the floor? So I've got 59 right there. And I know this is down here somewhere close. It's going way down here someplace. Okay, so something is wrong here. Okay, let's make sure my equation is right. How about 1.8 alpha enter? Well, at 1.8 I'm supposed to be at 40. So my calculator was used last period, and notice it wasn't on radians. Just took me a second to figure that out. So now I better redo all of these answers and make sure. Okay, so we were using them on a different place in, there we go. Now we're good. So it's 17.2 alpha enter. Okay, this is a better answer. 93936,411. Okay, when you started the stopwatch, that would be at 0. So it was at 58. Some of these were pretty close. 09016994375. And then when I was 59 from the floor, what's the first positive value? Alpha enter. There we go. 0.084650560300694. So silly me. I even saw that I had law of cosines in there, so of course it was on degrees, but I didn't think to check it. And there we are, okay, you're okay on that one, and those should all match. These were the degree answers. They didn't look too good anyway. And we'll be good on that one, and we'll be